Not every Etsy niche is worth starting in 2026. Some are overcrowded, while others are quietly gaining demand. In this video, we'll break down a beginner-friendly Etsy niche that's starting to gain attention and why it shows strong potential going into 2026. While searching for a new digital product to list online, I found one niche that's quietly growing, which is travel-themed clipart. Now, the reason why travel clipart is gaining attention is because it's versatile. It can be used for digital planners, travel journals, stickers, and even physical products. Buyers aren't just purchasing designs, they're buying a way to capture memories, destinations, and experiences. And unlike trend-based designs, travel content is evergreen. People travel year-round, not just during holidays. This makes the niche beginner-friendly because demand isn't tied to one short season. To find an attractive low-competition travel design niche, I'll be using Sales Samurai along with Etsy's analysis tools. First, I click on search and enter the keyword I want to research. For this example, I'm focusing on travel clipart since it works well for white label design products. After running the search, I can see the competition level and total search volume. Because the competition here is quite high, I narrow my research by checking Etsy's most trending keywords. This makes it easier to identify keywords with lower competition and a higher click-through rate. For instance, I discovered suitcases clipart, which shows low competition and a high CTR. This indicates that the design in this niche has a strong chance of being discovered more quickly. When reviewing this design on Etsy, we can use it as inspiration for creating our own unique version. However, it's always best to add a trending style to your design to attract more buyers. In this case, floral watercolor art style, because it suits this type of design and are currently trending. One of the biggest advantages of selling clipart is that it can also be applied to white label products. This significantly increases your profit margin from a single listing compared to digital-only products where you need more sales to earn higher profits. The process is also very simple. Once you create the design, a print-on-demand company handles the production and fulfillment for you. I found PrintKK to be a great option for this. With PrintKK, creating physical products is simple and streamlined. Even if you've never worked with physical items before, PrintKK gives you access to a wide range of high-quality, white-label products, including apparel, accessories, and home decor that you can easily apply your own designs to without upfront stock or storage concerns. What makes it even better is the smooth integration with popular online stores. Once you connect your store, your designs are automatically synced. When a customer places an order, PrintKK handles everything behind the scenes, printing the item, packaging it professionally, and shipping it directly to the customer. This allows you to focus fully on creating designs and improving your storefront, while PrintKK manages production and fulfillment. Now, to create this design using AI, I'll be using PrintKK AI, but before that, here's the prompt I used. In a white background, imagine vintage travel suitcases, stacked luggage covered with old travel stickers, faded colors, nostalgic watercolor style. First, create an account and then click Start Free AI Trial. Since this tool works with an image-to-image system, we'll need a reference image. So I went to Etsy, took a screenshot of one of the trending floral travel clipart designs, and uploaded it to the AI platform. Next, I selected the second AI model because it allows me to write my own prompt and adjust the similarity level. After that, I pasted my prompt and slightly lowered the reference similarity so the final design would stay inspired, not replicated. Then you can choose one by one aspect. Once the generation was complete, here's the result. As you can see, it captures the same overall style while remaining completely original. With tools like this, creating high-quality designs becomes simple, enjoyable, and efficient. If you'd like to explore more floral traveling clipart ideas, I've prepared a free list of prompts you can use. The link is in the description. And a special thank you to my Patreon supporters for making this tutorial possible. Now, to prepare our design for physical products, let's move over to PrintKK. But first, we need to connect our online store with PrintKK. Simply select Store, choose Etsy, and Etsy will request access. Click Grant Access, and your store will be successfully connected. Next, go to the Product section and choose any white label product you prefer. For this video, I'll be selecting a mousepad because I noticed this product category is gaining attention on Etsy. Once inside, I'll select AI image and my design. When that was done, you can either upload the product directly to your store or save it and edit the product details inside PrintKK. Once you have inputted the information for your product, you click submit and it will in your product will appear in your Etsy store. I hope this video encouraged you to explore how AI can simplify your creative process and how one clip art design can be used across multiple product formats. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.